Bonjour! Annyeonghaseyo! Konnichiwa! Mabuhay! Hello tasters! Hello world! If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Hey tasters! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I miss you all so much and sorry I haven't been uploading recently. I've just been a bit busy with school and stuff, but now I am back and here to bring you another amazing recipe. Today we'll be making potato gratin. Potato gratin has lots of different variations. Like for example, I once had like a curry potato gratin and it was so good. But today we will just be making the plain and simple potato gratin with cheese, potatoes, and all that wonderful stuff. So come with me to my kitchen and let's make this potato gratin. I'm so excited to show you guys how to make it. If you want to follow along and make this potato gratin, the full ingredient list will be down below. Okay, without further ado, let's get into making this potato gratin. So starting off, I'm heating up my pan here on my electric stove and I'm going to take a bit of butter and I'm going to be caramelizing onions. I'm just going to take a very small amount of butter. We don't want too much butter. I'm just going to melt that a bit. Now I'm just going to pour in my onions and start sauteing. I'm just going to keep this aside for now and I am going to start assembling our potato gratin. So if you're in a pinch, this Thanksgiving or Christmas, any type of holiday, whether you're having house guests over or anything, this is super easy and simple to make. Okay, now I'm going to take my potatoes and put like a layer of them on the bottom of my pan. I'm going to make sure there are no holes in the bottom, but it's okay if you do have a few holes. Now I'm just gonna put cream. Cream, delicate cream. I'm not gonna put too much thick of a layer. Just enough to cover the bottom. And then I'm going to take cheese. Not too much cheese because this cheese is a bit strong to my taste. So I'm just gonna put a small layer. And then I'm going to take Parmesan cheese actually. And I'm going to sprinkle that over there. Oh my god, that's so much. Just a little bit, not too much. And then we're just gonna repeat the process all over again until we finished up all our potatoes or filled up our pan. By the way, make sure you're using cooking cream or any other type of cream. Just make sure to not use whipping cream because whipping cream is very sweet and it will very much so affect the flavor of your potato gratin and make it taste a bit unappetizing. This looks so good. Oh my god, my mouth is already watering. We are finally going to put this in the oven and bake it for around 15 minutes on medium-high heat. And then I'll get back to you guys with the final project. With the final project? I've been doing too much school recently. Final product, not project. Final product. Okay, see you guys in a bit. We are finally done making our potato gratin after around 25 minutes of baking and cooling it down. We finally have our finished product and I am so excited to try it. It looks so good. The nice caramelization on the top, it looks so good. I am now going to dig into this. Okay, cheers! Yeah, that hits right on the spot. Now that winter is rolling in, I feel like this is the most perfect dish for winter. It gives you a sense of comfort. The pairing of the cream and the cheese is so good and the potatoes top it off with those onions. The onions just give it like a nice extra flavor of caramelization and gives it more of a savory taste and it's so good. I really recommend you guys to try it out for any holiday, whether you're not even for a holiday, you can even just make a little bit for yourself with a little bit of cream, a little bit of potatoes. This is so good and plus I have tried this so many times. Also, if you want to switch this around, you can maybe make curry and put the potatoes in there, add cheese and stuff. It's so good. This recipe is super customizable and I urge you guys to try it out. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video to your friends, and comment down below what you think I should make next, and I'll try to make it happen. Also, follow me on my Instagram and Facebook pages. Don't forget, happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching. Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye. See you next week.